The federal government has introduced a corona warning app designed to help identify the chains of infection and reduce the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Until now, the Department of Health has had to vigorously search for people who have had contact with infected individuals. The app is designed to make this easier. This is how it works. With the app, your smartphone continually sends a code to your surroundings via Bluetooth. At the same time, your phone searches for Bluetooth signals from other people in the area. If two people, both of whom have installed and switched on the corona warning apps, are next to each other for some time, the smartphones exchange the codes. These codes are anonymized identification numbers, or IDs for short, random series of numbers produced by the app using an anonymous number key. No names, locations, or other personal information are exchanged, other than these anonymized IDs, which change several times an hour. This guarantees that you remain anonymous and nobody knows who and where you are. For the app to work correctly, however, you have to activate the risk determination or Risikomitteilung function. Only then will the exchanging of codes take place. You also need to activate the notifications or Mitteilungen feature to receive warnings if you have had contact with infected individuals. If someone tests positive for coronavirus, the person will, together with the test result, receive a QR code which is to be scanned using a cell phone. Informing the app about your positive test results is voluntary. However, the infection chain is simpler to follow if most users register their positive test results in the app. After the registration of the new corona positive case on the app, the information is sent to a central server with an anonymized number key. From there, this anonymous code is sent to all cell phones via the app. Your cell phone then compares whether you've met this person in the last 14 days. If so, the app will notify you that there's an increased risk of infection while the identity of the infected person remains anonymous at all times. You're free to decide what happens next. Either you go into quarantine for a week, during which your health insurance company covers your sickness benefits, or you can take a corona test, although you're not obliged to do so. If you're not sure what is best to do, contact the health department or your doctor. The developers of the app published the source code in advance so that everyone can view it, hoping to create more trust and transparency. The use of the corona warning app is voluntary, and after downloading the app, you must actively consent to the data exchange for it to happen. And of course, even with the app, if you want to protect yourself and others from infection, you should also keep enough distance from others and wear a mask in certain places.